Welcome back, everyone. In today's video, how to language settings work in Valorant Mobile and what you can do if you want to understand the game better. At the moment, Valorant Mobile does not include an in-game option to change the language. The currently available version only supports Chinese, and there is no language selection feature inside the settings menu, which means you cannot switch the interface language directly within the game. However, there are a few alternative ways to help you understand the content. One common solution is using screen translator or overlay translation apps that can translate on-screen text in real time while the game is running. After enabling the overlay and selecting the source language, these tools display translated text over the game screen, making it easier to navigate menus, read missions, and understand basic information. Keep in mind that most reliable real-time translation overlays require a paid subscription, while free versions often come with limitations or lower accuracy. Until the developers officially add language options to Valorant Mobile, using external translation tools remains the most practical workaround. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful gaming tips and tutorials.